All right, guys, so we got the Fullmosa here. This is their metal watch band. I want to show you how to put it together. We went ahead and put the face on this, the cover on the face. So you can see how nicely it fits. It's super really seamless, very good with regards to that. So next thing we're going to do is go ahead and put our watch band on. So we're going to show you, it is going to slide in just like every other watch band that you have. Okay, so you're going to pop it on there on both sides. You're going to be able to put it on there. So here we have it. Drop it on, and boom, you have your watch band. So now what I like to do, because this is customizable, I want to go ahead and put it on and see potentially how many links we need to remove from it. So you can see it is pretty lengthy there. Now you do have one proper side you want to remove the links from, and it's going to be the opposite side from the clip. So they give you a tool to make that happen. Now you have some pretty easy spots to be able to do that, and I believe it's pretty simple. So they get a little tool here in the packaging that we're going to pop out. Right here, you get a little metal spot, just like so. We're going to unwind it. Okay. We're going to find the right side. Unwind this far enough. We're going to come all the way to the beginning one. Now, keep in mind when you do this, you have to take off a certain amount of links. You can't just take off one link. And I know that sounds super weird, but there's a process to it. So they have to be able to connect to one another. So if you don't take off enough links, you're going to run into a situation. Look at that. I already got the bar out right there. I found the little spot. So you just screw it into that. You got your link out. And just like that, we have our piece. And now she is apart. Look how easy that was. So what we want to do is we want to find out how many links I need to. I'm going to guesstimate I have to take 2 full links out. So we're going to come 2 more. This may not be enough, and hopefully it is enough, but it may not be, and that's okay, because we can always adjust accordingly.
So, can we put them back on?
Absolutely. That's a fantastic question, Skylar. So you are able to put these on at any time. You want to make sure you keep all the packaging and everything. So just like that, I've already popped off a second link. We are 2 minutes and 30 seconds into this video, and you have already made your watch band longer. So once you got it this far, you're able to come back to it. You're going to take one of the pieces that you have. You're going to pop it through the end.
Push.
Give it a big push. Okay, should go all the way through. Now, what the cool thing is, you're going to kind of go from the other direction, and you're going to take this and you're going to push it into the actual slot itself. So you want to make sure you're just going to pop it right in there. It's going to go a little bit.
What happens
a little bit.
If it's not lined?
Bam, there it is. Honestly, it's easy to align. I don't think I've ever had a problem aligning it, so that is a phenomenal question. I don't think you're ever going to have any problems aligning it. It kind of self-aligns for you. And there you have it. We have an updated, tightened bracelet for your Fullmosa band watch. So at the end of the day, you can make all the adjustments you need to. You can go from either side. I like to take from this one side because you can keep it kind of lined on your wrist properly, so you can tell however you want this to be able to sit on the bottom. That's super important. So guys, at the end of the day, get yourself the Fullmosa metal watch band in this black color. This thing is super slick. It will easily dress up your Apple Watch. So what do we say?
Check it out.
Check it out.